What's up, YouTube? It's the Toro Tech, and today I want to talk to you guys about the fix from the Microsoft Teams update that came out December 2020 that ended up breaking the virtual camera connection between OBS Studio and Teams. So let's get into it. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to be going into what's called a terminal command, right? So we're going to go to the terminal screen within your utilities. We're also going to be using a command called Sudo, which is I would say a God level access or an admin level access for those who do not know. If you're uncomfortable with any of these steps, I would definitely say don't do them because Sudo is a very powerful command on your computer. It just unlocks everything. However, these I have tested on 2 of my MacBooks that I have here within my house, and both of them all of these commands work. And basically what we're doing is we're going to be removing and decoupling some older applet sections within the installation that is actually inhibiting OBS Studio from actually creating that linkage. I have tested this on multiple computers and it has worked on both. If you feel uncomfortable with any of this, please defer to a technical friend that you may have, or you might also want to wait if you're really uncomfortable until Teams fixes itself again, which is that we all know Microsoft seems to be putting out an update for Teams every 2 weeks. So as of the date of this recording, which is January 9th, this is a fix. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and here's my screen. So what I've done is I created a notepad, and these are the codes that we're gonna be going through, and I'll just explain to what I'm doing. We're removing what's called signatures or key items for the application, Microsoft Teams application, content framework, Microsoft Teams, Helper, GPU, plugins, and whatnot. You'll actually notice that on a lot of different issues that you may have with Teams, because they have so many updates within Mac, there's always going to be most likely an issue with the security or the keys that actually that happen and that connect. So we're going to go ahead and run these real quick. So what I'm going to do first off is I like to I'm going to go ahead and grab this first command. I'm just going to hit Command C or copy. I'm then going to go to terminal. But what you're going to do is you can go through applications. Under applications, you'll have utilities, and under utilities, you would have the folder. And so we're going to do that now. Okay, applications, utilities, terminal. Okay, so we're going to go here. All right, so this is your terminal window, and this is going to be where you're going to run these commands. And so let's go ahead and just zoom in on this a little bit. So we're going to go sudo, right, space. I'm going to paste or Command V, the command that I had in there before. It's going to ask you for your admin password for the computer that you're using. Okay, that command was already used or was used. Then I'm going to go back and we're going to do this process until we go through all of them. So we're going to now you could probably write this in a batch file. I know you could actually write this into a batch file to run all of them sequentially and have a wait. But this is going to be for that novice user that may be a little bit uncomfortable, that may not want to do all of it together, but it also, I like to make sure that we're checking everything, there's no errors, and it kind of runs through almost like error handling if you are a coder. Therefore that's done. So now we can go ahead and we're going to go ahead and close Teams, and I can go ahead and close the other item, and now we can open up OBS Studio. I have mine started. We're going to stop it or start it. And now I'm going to go from OBS Studio to here, and we're going to just start a meeting. All right. And here is my virtual camera. So you see the cam link that I'm actually recording this on. You have the FaceTime camera, which is here, and then virtual camera, which is the OBS camera. So if I turned on my camera, you're going to see what's actually, now, as we always talk about, right, everything in OBS camera is going to, or in Teams is going to show reversed here, but it won't show reversed to the other side. So hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that gets you going on OBS Studio with Teams. And if it does, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and remember, hit the little bell to get notified when new updates come on out. Have a good one, y'all.